Hear the warm melodies of family gathered around. Baby's very first word, making mama proud. All the things that seem to make us grow, and all the time we spent together makes the future shine brighter. Moments like these feel so fine. Open up our eyes and see the sunrise. Give us moments like these till the end of time. 'Cause it's been so great, but the best is yet to come. Winter makes the summer shine brighter. Spring and the fall make the colors lighter. Looking forward to whatever may come, knowing full well that all the time we spent together